Good morning, children. Today's topic is find the value. So suppose we are given two sign, that is one minus, that is subtraction, and the other one is addition. So we have to solve it both together but step by step. That today we will revise it in today's video. Now the first question, you can see that already I have written here 3 questions. We will solve it, and after that also I will show you more questions related to this, or I will show you to round up also. These topics are very important. Now see, the first number is 28, so I am going to write here TO, and then below I am going to write next number is 11. Now the sign before the number is its sign. That means no symbol is before 28. That means addition sign is there. And 20 is the greater number than 11. So 20 is written above and minus 11 is written below. So we have written here 28 and below we have written here minus 11. Now after solving it, we will proceed with the next number. Let us first solve this one. See, 8 minus 1 will become 7 and 2 minus 1 will become 1. Now this is your first step. After this we have to carry forward this number here, again writing TO, that means the place value, tens and ones, and then I will carry forward this number, that is 17. And now after that we are going to write the third number, that is plus 15. The symbol before the number I told already, the symbol of the number itself. So here plus 15, I am going to write here plus 15. Now we will solve it. Now 7 plus 5 is how much? 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. That means 2. I am going to write here 2 and one more carry over here. So we are going to add 1, 2 and 3. So it will become 3. So see, 3 numbers already we have taken and the answer came. The last one is your answer. 32 will become your answer. So how we will write? So we are going to write here below. So 28 minus 11 plus 15 equal to 32. In the same way we will solve question number 2. Now we are going to write here question number 2. See, question number 2 is 37 plus 43 minus 28. So I am writing here TO and the first number is 37. So I will write the first number 37 over here. Now after 37, what is there? Plus 43. So first we have to add. So I am going to write below 37 plus 43. Plus 43. Now we will add it. Now add 7 plus 3, 8, 9 and 10. So it will become 10. 1 carry over here. So 3 plus 1, 4, and already 4 is there. So 4 plus 4, it will become 5, 6, 7 and 8. So it will become 8. And now this 80 again we have to carry forward in the second step, that we are putting arrow. Here I am going to write TO and this 80 we are going to carry forward here. Next I am going to stick over these two numbers because already we have taken 37 and 43. Only minus 28 is left over. So I will take minus 28 from here. Minus 28. Now 0 minus 8 is not possible. So we are going to borrow 110 from here and it will become 710. So 10 minus 8 will become what? 10 minus 8 will become 2. And 7 minus 2. So from 2, after 2 you are going to carry count forward 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. That means 5. So it will become 52. Now below what you should write? So we are copying the question. 37 plus 43 minus 28 equal to, the last answer is your final answer, that is 52. Now let us go to the next question, that is question number 3. We will do question number 3 now. Now here I am going to do question number 3. I am going to copy. Now 25 minus 12 we will do. First I will write TO. Here only I am showing you 25. And the next number is minus 12. So I am writing here minus 12. Now 5 minus 2 is what? 5 minus 2, 2. After 2 we will forward count 3, 4, 5. That means 3. And 2 minus 1 is 1. So we have selected the first two numbers, and I told you already that number sign before any number is its sign. That means minus 12 I have written here, minus 12. Now the second number you always, or the third number you always forward with the sign itself. So the 13 is here. Now I will carry forward here. Now TO, that is 13. Now plus 14, because the third number is plus 14. So I am going to carry forward plus 14 there. So now 4 plus 3, it will become what? 4 and 3, 5, 6 and 7. And now 1 plus 1, it is becoming 2. Now this way we have to now write down the question here. So 25 minus 12 plus 14 equal to 27. Okay. So now from 27, this process you have to follow. Just see, here it is minus 11, so we have forwarded minus 11. Here it is plus 15, so we have written here plus 15. In the second question you see plus 43, so we have written here plus 43. Next, here it is minus 28, so we have written here minus 28. In the last question, here it is minus 12, so we are writing here minus 12. Next is plus 14, so we are writing here plus 14. Okay, so let us show you one more. So you have to remember this process. Now if rounding up is given here, suppose I am going to show you round up. Now the 2 rows, 3 rows you have to remember, like 73, 35 and 48. The 3 numbers I am showing you, then you can understand the 3 numbers by showing. If any, first we will write TO here, then we will write here TO. When it is rounding up to tens house, so we will put 0 in ones house, and here we will underline the ones number. If it is less than 5, the number itself will sit in the tens house. The number itself will sit in the tens house, that means 70. Now if it is 5 or more than 5, then we have to add 1 in the tens house. So here again I am writing TO, and in the ones house I am putting 0, and here see in the tens ones house it is 5. So it is 5 or more than 5, so we have to add 1 with 3 and it will become 4. Again I am writing here TO, 0 in ones house, and see in the ones house it is 8, that means more than 5. That means we have to add 1 in the tens house. That means 4 plus 1, it will become 5. I hope you have understood this 2 topic. Thank you, children.